Hey, Dale, what are you doing?
Not much.
Come on inside and see what's happening. I've been revamping my shop and cleaning her up.
Yeah?
It don't look like much, but there was a lot of stuff in here.
I thought I'd come see you.
Well, I'm glad you did. I haven't seen you in 100 years.
Yeah.
I just got her kind of sold.
Wow.
Hey, what do you think of that?
Are you auctioning it off? Hey,
yeah, that's it. You sure you don't want to buy a motorcycle?
No. They don't got training wheels.
Yeah. You know what? I got one back here that I've been tripping over for about 6 months right here. This one here's got training wheels here.
Oh. Cooper would love me.
Yeah, this is a fairly torquey son of a gun. Here. You ever sat in one of these?
No.
Like,
I like your car stand. Wow.
watch out.
How about this?
I hate this golf. You know, I've been tripping over this piece of shit for almost 5 years. Ah.
Fitting.
What do you figure, Dale?
I like it.
Hey?
Where's the gas pedal?
Right here.
Oh, I need pedal extensions.
No, that. We just take and put new bolt holes up there and move them right up close.
Yeah, that one's the brake?
It is. This card here, this is a 125 shifter card.
Yeah.
It'll peel the eyelids right off your head.
Holy shit, and I'm light. Oh. Wow. What do you ask for something like this?
It's not mine.
Oh.
It's my dear child's. It's probably worth, I don't know, it's probably worth about $3,500, something like that. It is a professional cart. It's got an SGM motor in it, 125. Like it is a professional racing cart.
Is it clutch or like? Is that a clutch?
That is right here. That's your gear shifter.
Okay, but do you have a clutch, or is it just straight into gear?
No, I'd imagine there's a clutch in the son of a gun. A throttle, brake. Clutch is right here.
Oh gosh, we be moving that.
Clutch is there. That's the clutch.
Mm-hmm.
The clutch right now is broken on it. My kid burned the clutch out.
Oh.
He was busy racing his buddy in an R1.
Oh.
Yamaha R1. And you know what? This thing will damn near keep up to an R1. Up to probably about 100 miles an hour.
Oh, and you know what I can't get over is how well I fit in here. Like I don't know how you could fit in here.
I tell you what, I don't fit in there.
Because I feel like I'm almost suctioned into here.
You are. This thing here will pull, I don't know what it pulls, maybe 2 Gs, maybe 3 Gs in the corner. Like it's stupid. It's the same as like it pulls probably more than, it's stupid. I don't know the particulars on it, but it'll pull a couple Gs I think in the corner.
I gotta find something I can trade your son.
For this?
Yeah.
Dale, the only thing that'll beat you to the hospital will be the headlights on the ambulance if you drive this thing.
Yeah.
Oh, anyways, I'd gladly sell it to you. I gotta hang it back on the wall.
Does it work? Can you drive
No,
it?
Because the clutch is gone.
The clutch is
the
gone out of it.
Or I'd be doing a smoke show already.
I tell you what, this thing is absolutely snaky. It's snaky, that's all I can say.
And they're loud.
It'll go right down the road. It'll go right down the road sideways in like 2 gears of rubber. It's smoking.
Some people put pipes on the wheels.
I know. Then you make a drift car out of it.
Yeah. They put pipes on the wheels.
Yeah, that would be kind of fun.
And then you can just go.
Yeah. But I tell you what, I'd gladly sell it to you for about $2,500, I think. You can be the proud owner of it. You find me another Camaro and trade me for it. I'd just trade it to you and to worry about my kid later. Okay?
What if I just put it on that side?
There you go. Anyways, here, give me a hand. You're stuck in there, Dale. Oh, you're right, it is got the suction right in there.
Yeah. Thank you.
Don't be tripping on there.
Well,
Anyways,
that would be fun.
it was a nice ride, eh?
My son would be so happy. Yeah.
There you go.
Well, I'll have to put my pennies away.
Well, there you go. What do you think of the shop cleanup?
I think it's looking a lot better. I'm thinking I gotta get a set of camera. I gotta get a wall of.
You need some toolboxes, is what you're saying?
Yeah, it does.
Yeah. I tell you what, they are Russo boxes. They are probably the best toolbox ever made, these Russo boxes, and they're absolutely wonderful. Me and another guy that weighs more than me, if you can believe that, we're probably, what am I, about 150 pounds, and he's about 150 pounds. We had 600 pounds in there. He was about 325, and I'm about 180, or 280, I should say. And we were both standing in the drawers, and they were opening and closing them.
Holy cow.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, they're good boxes. They're tough. Yeah.
Did you get them custom-made?
Well, they're kind of, you order whatever you want, or however you want them, you order them. And they'll order them up for you. So whatever you want, yeah. Yeah. And look at this. This is the best part. Look at this.
Oh, did they build that for you?
Yeah, I keep it covered up so nobody scuffs it.
Yeah.
Hey, hey, what do you think of that?
I like that.
I'm even being nice to it. I'm reorganizing a bunch of stuff here. I've been doing a little job going on, and I put carpet or cardboard on top here even.
You don't normally do that, so it's got to be worth.
Well, I'm trying to turn a new leaf over, Dale.
Yeah.
Hey, here's something that's kind of cool. I even got I got a gumball machine in here, but it's selling rubber balls right now.
Well, my kid would love that too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got to put gumballs in instead of rubber balls. But anyways, that's about it. That's about all I've been doing.
I feel like I got rubber balls today.
Yeah. Yeah.
Not fair.
Yes, Dale, it is.
Ah, I thought it was.
Why do you say that?
This got all your degrees?
Well, it's old. Here, I'll show you what it looks like in real life.
Is it for 50 cal?
No. Like 30-06 caliber. I don't know what the caliber is. Here's what it looks like over here, Dale.
You gonna put that on the mortar plate?
Nah, it's a piece of f***ing antique history. I collect weird junk. That's what it looks like back in the day. That's what it looked like there.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that just all of a sudden caught my eye. Like, yeah, that's
Yeah.
machine gun now.
Machine and Gewehr, MG08. That was built in 1917, that mount.
Wow.
Yeah, it's kind of interesting, eh?
Anyways, I gotta hit the road. Thanks for showing me this.
Yeah, like I say, I'd love you to come give me $2,500 and take it home, Dale.
Well, I'll just trade you for the truck and I'll ride away.
There you go. Okay? Okay, my friend, put her here again. Okay. It's awesome seeing
Thank you.
And I hope you're feeling a little better, my friend.
Yes, the smoke too is getting to my lungs.
Okay.
Okay. Hey, looking for a tow body. Not not the deck, but the wrecker.
I'll ask my guys that just moved in here, the renters, and see what they have.
Yeah.
They got a whole bunch of interesting people with lots of junk.
I've got a F550 with 108,000 kilometers on it, regular cab with a V10.
That could be good or bad.
It's got a brand new motor and a brand new transmission in it.
I tell you what, I like this. My brand new gaskets.
There are brand new gaskets out here?
Well, hence the word were brand new.
Huh.
On to every day, a little bit of rain must fall, I guess, Dale. Okay.
Okay.
I got to get back to work doing something unimportant.
Okay. Thanks, Avery.
See you later.
Yep.